Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, March 12th, 2024. I'm Giovanni Betancourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. Alrighty then, so the US data point of the week saw the consumer price index for February come in just a bit warmer than expected, up 2.2% year on year versus market expectations for a rise of 3.1%, and compares to a rise of 3.1% seen in the January report. The core CPI number for February was up 3.8%. So that means that inflation is up 3.8% compared to expectation of up 3.7% and up 3.9% seen in January report. The slightly warmer CPI readings didn't have a significant impact on the markets as prior ones have. Traders and investors reckon today's CPI numbers will not change the trajectory of Federal Reserve monetary policy. JP Morgan chief Jamie Dimon said overnight that the Federal Reserve should wait until after June to lower interest rates. So Dimon, who is visiting Australia, also told a group that the U.S. stock market could be in a bubble phase, adding to be extra cautious when an investment looks so obvious. Asian and European stock markets were mixed in overnight trading. U.S. stock index futures are set to open higher when the New York session begins today, and the key outside markets today see the U.S. dollar index a bit lower. The WTI, the crude oil contracts, oil prices are near steady and trading around $78 a barrel, and the yield on the benchmark 10-year U.S. Treasury note is presently fetching 4.089%. So we can expect for today fluctuation to be to the upside. Let's see if 18,200 will be that target, the initial target. I have mine way up there, almost at 18,400. The S&P 5180, that could be the target for today. We've been bullish as being bullish because look at this big old gap that we opened on the Dow. So that's gonna be 39,400 is gonna be pretty much met. So let's rise the bar to about 39,500 for the Dow. Crude oil, I'm seeing crude oil to just pivot around $78 per se. And then Nat Gas. Nat Gas, I've seen that there's a lot of demand picking up for Nat Gas. So I think that 170-ish is going to be the lowest, the bottom for Nat Gas for now. And we're going to start seeing some higher numbers. Let's shoot for 190 today. And gold is, it could be profit taking because it has been on a tear to the upside. 2,200 was kissed, almost kissed, was barely touched, almost, not even quite, but yet 2,200 is that psychological resistance value for it. Yesterday, fluctuations, it was just very choppy. Today, it retreated. So let's see if 2,160 will be the support. Silver, it did a nice fluctuation to the upside, and now it's retreating. So let's see how much further of a retreat. $24 could be the value. Copper, also the same token. Let's see how far it will retreat. I'm looking for 75 on the Bitcoin, and the euro looking to stay north of 109. Let's see if it is able to sustain itself. And the pound has broken or has traded below 128. Let's see if it'll hold ground above the moving average, and the dollar index is the one that is supposed to be trading lower. Let's see if that be the case. That's it for me today. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow.